my name's Hannah and I'm a product specialist for mini excavators here at JCB. And today I'm going to talk to you about our brand new 8008E Micro Excavator. This is a fully electric machine based off our proven design of the 8008 diesel variant, and we have converted it to now be fully electric. With it being fully electric, it is zero emissions from point of use. It reduces operator vibrations all around the machine. It makes the noise very, very low so that you can operate indoors, in food processing factories, in data center areas, and really any type of application that is sensitive to noise, emissions, and vibrations. This machine is a perfect alternative to be able to fit a hammer or breaker attachment to the machine. As you can see, we've got auxiliaries here as standard to fit your breaker and your hammer. And that makes it perfect for indoor demolition. Now, this machine is very unique because it is sub 1 ton in operating weight. This means that for internal demolition applications, you can put it inside the lift shaft to move the machine around very, very easily, making it much more versatile. As you can see, the machine is made very, very robustly with extra reinforcements here on the arm, as well as having a single modular boom, so that it is very, very robust and very, very sturdy. All our rams are top mounted to prevent any damage to the rams themselves, as we know that this is a vital component to the hydraulic excavator. As we come to look at the undercarriage of the machine, we have a very strong undercarriage design, and what's so impressive about this machine is that when the tracks are retracted in, it is 700 millimeters in width. So this allows you to fit inside a standard doorway, or again into a lift shaft, a garden gate, to really give added versatility of this machine. Now, when you're inside an application, you might want a bit of extra stability when you're digging, hammering. So these tracks will actually retract back out to give that added stability. When you begin to look at the dozer blade swings out. So we've got fold out dozer blade to make it very, very nice and easy to extend your dozer blades when you're in a bigger application where you need to doze more material forward. And then when you do need that extra stability, you can extract new tracks outwards to have extra stability, extra lift capacity, so that you've got great versatility with this machine. Now, this machine is designed off our 8008 diesel micro excavator, which has been in the market for over 20 years. Instead of having a diesel engine inside, we have changed it to have two 4.4 kilowatt hour lithium ion batteries inside. The lithium ion batteries are the exact same batteries that we use on our 19C-1 mini excavator. This mini excavator we launched in 2019, and we now have over 1,000 in the market. So they're very proven batteries and very proven technology here at JCB. The combined battery power of 9.9 kilowatt hours give an average run time of 4.5 hours continuous use. And from our studies and from our live link telematics data, we know that this 4.5 hour runtime of continuous use is your standard of about 2 days work, so that you can really use this machine on a full day's application. So behind this panel is your charging application, and here you can see that the charge cable is here for you to plug in on your standard industrial 230 volt socket or your 110 volt socket. We also have the option to fit it with your standard domestic plug, so that you really can charge the machine anytime, anywhere. On this machine, we have fitted a small display panel that will accurately show the charge level of the machine, so you know the charge level at all times. And when the machine gets to 10%, the power levels drop, so that you can then take your machine to be charged. This display will also come up with a red warning light if there's any faults with the machine, so that you can stop and address the issue. There's also a blue light indicator on the machine. Because the machine is so quiet, we want to make sure that you know that it is running and that it is operating. So we have fitted that blue light to be able to show the operators that it is live and running. The controls are very, very simple and intuitive to use. They're your standard X pattern controls, so that if this machine was out on rent, any operator can jump on the machine and learn how to operate the machine within about 5 to 10 minutes. It is very, very simple, intuitive, and perfect for the rental application. Additionally, with this machine, it is very simple and intuitive to use with your manual slew lock down here at the bottom. So you can manually lock your slew or your swing so that you can safely perform digging and breaking operations. As I mentioned, it is fully electric, which means reduced noise. And this machine actually has an 83 decibel noise, which is 9 decibels lower than our diesel equivalent. What this means is not only can you use it in a wider variety of applications where noise is very imperative, so you can use it outside of noise curfew hours, in noise sensitive environments. It also has added communication and added safety on site, because you can communicate with your co-workers and warn them of any hazards that may occur very, very quickly and easily. Now, the last thing I want to highlight is our safety feature of our TOPS protection frame, so our tip over protection frame, that again, if you are in a space confined environment, you can fold this over to allow yourself to work and go inside doorways and potentially space confined environments. So here it is, our 8008E electric micro excavator. Please contact your local dealer today to find out as much information as possible on how this machine can benefit your work site, especially if you're working indoors, inner cities, any type of noise sensitive environment or zero emission imperative environment.